I'm over here at Bros helping with the garden, you know, Mother's Day weekend, so it's like doing something nice for Ma. He's got all these old blocks here. You see that? These little ceramic and those look like concrete cylinder things, right? So I'm gonna fucking construct a little draft furnace right here and see what happens by putting all these components together. I mean, look at that. These are old, buddy. They were here before we got here. Look like there's an old freaking like smasher, ground smasher. I don't know what those are called exactly. Kind of like farming equipment almost. But yeah, definitely. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them high. That looks like that'll be about, shit, that looks about at least 8 inches. 8 inches tall, if not like 10. So 8 times 6, what's that freaking? 12 times 4, 48. 48 inches. I mean, I probably could even, if I had some mud, could put some mud in between it. Might even raise it up a little more, but I don't think I'm gonna go that far right now. I'm just gonna, you know, everything happens for a reason. So this is all here. It all needs to be cleaned out, cleared out. It's just sitting around right now. Might as well put it into some kind of good use. You know what I'm saying? But look, those old blocks right there. And we'll take those, set those down in the hole on the side to give that fucking, keep this thing stable. And then freaking pack that dirt right there, that black dirt around the edge or something. I'm gonna cut out a square right here. Then I'm gonna cut off like a little thing about as wide as those here in the front. Freaking, so that sucks in air from there and shoots the heat up this way out the top. So, and you know, look, it can be definitely broken down and put back up too, in that way. But yeah, man, that's what I'm about to do. Peace.